Welcome to Alhaf channel. Hello, how are you? Today we're going to talk about the best gaming PC under $500. Why can you trust Alhaf? Our expert reviewers spend hours testing and comparing products and services to choose the best one for you. Learn more about how we conduct our tests. First thing, CPU. Intel Core i3-14100F. Price $90. Motherboard. Gigabyte B760M DS3H DDR4. Price $109. Graphics processing unit. Intel Arc A380. Price $99. Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 RAM 16GB, 8GB x2 3200 MHz. Price $25. Storage. Crucial P3 plus 1TB. Price $61. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. Price $41. PSU. Thermaltake Smart Series 500W. Price $39. Cooler. Not applicable, comes with CPU. Total. Price $464. For around $500, you can build a PC that has a discrete graphics card. You won't get the fastest GPU around, but you will be able to play games at 1080p with modest settings. That's a big improvement over relying on integrated graphics. I hope you like this clip, share the video and give me your feedback on the compilation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.